spring, summer, rain, fall, autumn, winter, and spring. People and time never wait for anyone in their progressions. Sun and moon rises. After certain time, day disappears. Wind blows violently, and after that, they stop by. For one's life, people come nicely, and they leave suddenly. Tender age feelings never remain the same as our lives grow old. But one thing will be occurring till the day of ending. Spring, summer, fall, winter, and spring. Spring, summer, fall, winter, and spring. Poem by Javed Mamun.